everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a beautiful day today, like plus 13 with an overnight low of like plus 2. Maybe be a little colder. Might get some unexpected thunder showers and a little bit of rain out there, but hey, I don't care. A little bit of rain never killed nobody. Keeps the bugs away a little bit. And yeah, so I'm just driving out there right now. Should be a fun trip. And I will see you when you get there. Hey everyone, I finally made it to the camp spot. Yeah, it's weather looks like it's turning a little nasty. There was some hail coming in, so a little bit of rain. Now the wind's picked up, excuse that. But yeah, this campsite's pretty awesome. I get to listen to the river. I get to listen to the river tonight. And yeah, it should be awesome. I'm really hoping the wind doesn't get too bad. I may have to tie down my awning. I should probably do that because that wind gusts up to about 30k and I really don't want to lose my awning at all. But yeah, check this out. River's pretty high, starting runoff and stuff, so yeah. Well, it's kind of a bummer. And there's supposed to be some lightning tonight. I really hope there's a few thunders. I love thunderstorms. They're my favorite thing in the world. I know some people might think I'm weird, but that's just the way it is. So I need to get my sleeping bag into my tent, my pillows, and a few other things, and yeah, maybe tie down this awning a bit. So I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, baby! Beer! 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 Well, it's beer 30 time. Oh, I'm so flippin' mad at myself right now. But, like I said, what the heck? Picked this up at Verdi when I picked up the last beer for my last video. Yeah, it's a huckleberry and blueberry flavored ale, brewed in Fernie, BC, British Columbia. So yeah, this is pretty good. I haven't had it in a long while, but I'm pretty mad at myself right now because I was fooling around and doing some stuff and I wasn't really paying attention, and there was a fox that was walking right across the road here. I tried to catch him, but I think I scared him away. I made way too much noise. I'm kind of PO'd. I have a fire pit, but unfortunately fire bans in Alberta, we're on fire. There's over 100 fires in Alberta right now, so no fires, which kind of a bummer, but I'm also not going to be that guy that starts a forest fire, so I'll just deal with it. It's not a huge big deal. We're just hanging out and stuff. Yeah. It's a pretty nice day. It's been raining on and off. Nothing crazy. They're still saying thunderstorms tonight, so I hope so. I hope so, because thunderstorms in the mountains are awesome. I think I need to get my Yeti. That's if I remember to bring it. Yeah, good times. Kind of needed this. I've had a few not so good things going on in my life the last couple days, and yeah, I'm a little worried, a little bit worried. So yeah, nice and definitely this is relaxing and helps me reduce my stress for sure. Nothing major. I just brought some chicken tonight, but unfortunately don't have any Lysol wipes, so I mean I have to really be careful when prepping the chicken and stuff. So yeah, chicken and rice. I burnt like my thing a few camping trips ago, and it's never gonna come out. I think I'm just gonna hang out for a bit, and yeah, I'm just gonna relax. I need this a lot. Drink my beer, and then I'll probably see you when I'm making supper. Alright, it's time to get some food. Got my chicken, I put some rub in there. I don't have any Lysol wipes, so I'm trying to keep things as clean as flippin' possible so I don't cross-contaminate. So, yeah, I meant to do that when I went and got one of these today. And, you know, as soon as I walked through that door, it was like, whoosh.
So you just flash that thing, it erases her memory, and you just make up a new one?
Someone wiped it, yeah. So I'm gonna get this going, and I'm just gonna fry up this chicken in this pan, and then I'm gonna throw them in a tin foil to keep them warm, and then I'm gonna cook up the rice, and then maybe throw the chicken back in there just to warm it up a little bit before I eat it. All right, I'll see you in a bit. God, hopefully this chicken's cooked. Well, welcome back. I am hungry. These rice packets are like really easy. Like, they're great for a side when you're cooking out in the backcountry if you like want to take minimal stuff. And yeah, they keep forever. Like, you can throw them in this drawer and have them forever. I need to make a list. There's a few things I would like in here. Just Yum. I put a little bit too much seasoning on it, and it got burnt. The seasonings got burnt, so. Well, I don't think we're gonna get a thunderstorm tonight unless it's later on at night. So, all right, I'm gonna eat this up, and then I'll probably see you in the tent a little later. I'm gonna hang out for a bit, and then probably hop in the tent and watch a movie. So I'll see you then. Hey everyone, I'm in the tent. I'm just putting on a different hoodie. The other one is a little bit too thick. It's not, I wouldn't say it's cold, but it's cooling off. And then I'll put my pajama bottoms on a little bit later. Yeah, ooh, sun goes behind the mountains, and I tell you, that's all she wrote. Let's see, I'm kind of curious. I'm going to get a weather. So it's gonna get down to 2. I'm gonna update this, so, and then I'm gonna watch a movie. I don't know which one, but who knows? Who knows? Kind of struggling today, man. I'm losing my job at the end of September, and yeah, I'm a little bitter about the whole situation. I thought a company that I worked for and dedicated my life to for 14 years would treat me a little bit better, but wrong again. But whatever, I just don't know what I'm gonna do after this job's done. I don't, so I'm a little stressed. It looks like it's gonna get down to 1 tonight, so I'm kind of glad that I decided to use my -18. I know it might be a little overkill, but I find my 0 bag is like ragged edge. Like, if it's 0, you're cold. Like, it's more like a 5-degree bag. All right, well, what are we gonna watch? Let's see here. What are we gonna watch? What are we gonna watch? There we go. Sing decided. True Romance, The Illusionist, Ray. Oh, I don't feel like watching. It's almost 3 hours long. On a Wing and a Prayer. Heard it's based on a true story. I hear it's really good. I think that is the one. Yeah, man. There you go. Ta-da! Amazon Original. All right, everyone. I'm gonna go watch my movie, and I'll see you in the morning. I'm probably gonna make coffee this time for the first time in forever. All right, see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it was a pretty chilly night last night. It's like -1 this morning. I'm just in the process of packing up my tent. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be another dreary day. The clouds are really low. I want to try to get my tent all packed up before it starts to rain, if it does rain. So I will see you guys in the truck. I decided I'm not going to make a coffee this morning. I don't have any creamer. I'm not too sure where it is. I used to have some in there, so I'm just going to pick up a coffee on the way home. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Whee! Alright, let's get out of here. Well, I guess I should have some lightage while I drive out here. What's the easiest way? Alright everyone, that was a good night. Didn't really get the thunderstorms that we were supposed to. There was a few thunders in the distance, a little bit of thunder in the distance, but nothing crazy. So yeah, nothing crazy. So it was a good night. It was a little chilly this morning for sure. It says -3 on my truck, which is probably more like 0. My truck is about 3 degrees out, give or take. So yeah, I'm gonna close it out here. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, comment, it would be awesome. And you can check out some more videos if you want to check out right here. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.